Hi, this is John and I'm here with another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about this Fender Squire Acoustic SA100. Now, this is a classic. We're going to take it out of the box and see how this guitar held up over the years. This guitar's got to be around 20 years old. So let's get opening up this box and see what this guitar looks like after 20 years. Stay tuned. So this is what the box looks like when you bought it. It's a pretty nice looking box with the guitar picture on it. It's a pretty big box. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and take the cover off. And the first thing we have is one guitar. Now check this out. Let's find out what other things are in the box before we get to the guitar part. So now this is, I think, a Fender kit that came with one case. And let's see if the zipper still works. The zipper does not work because it seems like the zipper handle broke off. It was just put on there with a piece of plastic. And this part didn't hold up. But I mean, you could still technically use it if you want to, put the guitar in here and try to close it another way or have this fixed. But I really don't think this is worth it, anything, because if the zipper broke, I'm sure this bag is not going to really, holding up this fine guitar. I mean, it looks like a pretty nice guitar. So I mean, I wouldn't use this, and I'm really not sure why Fender would even put a cheap bag like this in this guitar kit. So let's just put this on the side. So what else do we have here? So we have a Squire tuning kit. And let's see what's in here. Hey, look at that. Now, I don't play the guitar, and I don't even know what this is. When I saw it, I guess this is how you tune the guitar. So this says guitar pitch pipe. This is a guitar pitch pipe. So you could use it, I guess, double as a harmonica if you know how to play it. It's pretty cool. I mean, this held up. It still works. That's not bad. All right, I give him that. This was a good option. Let's put this back in the box. So I guess you would have to learn how to tune a guitar with one of these. And it's probably not fun. What else is in the guitar? All right, you got one guitar strap. Now that's cool. Let's see how this works. Okay, it has a shoestring like that. And this is pretty cool. The strap is handy. Looks like a very well-made guitar strap. It doesn't seem like a cheap guitar strap. And that's a good thing that, Fender decided to give their customers a good guitar strap. A warranty card. So I'm gonna look and see if I can find a date to actually date this guitar. 2002. So this guitar is from 2002. It's 2018, 19. So this guitar is almost 17 years old. That's a pretty old guitar. That's as old as some of the people watching this video, maybe older, but this is a pretty old guitar. So we're gonna see how this guitar held up. This guitar is probably made out of real wood, maple. There's a label inside. It says Squire Fender. I'm reading right inside the sound hole. I think that's what that's called, right? The sound hole. Squire Fender, model number. And then it says crafted, not made, but crafted in China. This is probably back then a very well-made guitar. And by the look of it, it looks brand new. I mean, look how shiny it is. It's still shiny. I don't see any pitting, any chipping around here, around the outside. This, I guess, the guitar strap part, this held up pretty good. The back, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the back. It virtually looks brand new. All original guitar. The tuning knobs, right? They look like they're in great shape. There's no rust. They feel like they're all metal, chrome, stainless steel. So here's the pick. So I really don't know how to play. Anybody want to give me a lesson? Am I killing this guitar? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and peace out.